Shopping cart races!
Hey, it's Auntie Joy.
And Owl! And Greenie! Woohoo!
Wee-hoo! Look! I got your nose!
Now I look like Olaf!
Learn colors and names of fruits and vegetables with Cut and Toy Velcro Fruits and Vegetables ESL.
Which one should I cut first, Owl? How about tomato? Okay.
This tomato is red.
Okay, Greenie, which one should I cut next?
The watermelon, 'cause it's my favorite color. 'Cause it's green, 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 green.
Okay.
The outside of the watermelon is green. The inside is red.
I want you to cut the bread next. Okay.
Bread is not a fruit or a vegetable. This bread is yellow on the edges and orange in the middle.
Cut the cucumber, 'cause it's green, 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 green.
Okay.
This cucumber is green.
Well, pink is my favorite color, but I don't see anything pink. So, how about the eggplant? That's purple. Sounds good.
This eggplant is purple.
I want the kiwi next. Because even though the outside is brown, the inside is green, 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 green.
Okay.
I like that cutting board.
Why's that?
Because it's green, 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 green.
That's right, Greenie.
The kiwi is brown on the outside and green on the inside.
Cut the lemon next. Yellow is a pretty color. Sounds good, Owl.
This lemon is yellow.
The apple has a green stem and a green leaf.
That's right, Greenie.
This apple is red. The stem and the leaf are green.
How about another purple one? Let's cut the onion next. Okay.
This onion is purple.
The strawberry has a green stem.
Okay, Greenie.
These strawberries are red. The stem is green.
Let's cut the banana next. It's yellow, like my eyes. Okay.
This banana is yellow.
How about the fish? It's blue, like my eyelids.
Sounds good.
Fish is not a fruit or a vegetable. This fish is blue.
Carrots next, please. They're orange, like my beak. They're kind of shaped like your beak, too.
These carrots are orange.
Hey, Owl, come here.
Uh-huh.
Look, I got your nose. Hey, Greenie, come here.
Yeah?
Look. I got your nose.
Ah, now I look like Olaf. Cut the orange next. It's the same color as the inside of my mouth. Ah!
That's right, Greenie.
This orange is, you guessed it, orange.
How about the mushroom next? Because it's brown. Like my feathers.
Okay.
The top of the mushroom is black. The bottom is brown.
Which one should I choose? Yeah, that one.
Sounds good.
I like the stem and the leaves because it's green, 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 green.
The leaves on this turnip are green. The top is red. The bottom is white.
Thanks for hanging out with Auntie Joy.
And Owl.
And Greenie,
Jesus loves you so very much.
every single day.
You're a very smart person.
And very important too. See you next time.
Bye. Hey, you. Yeah, you. See that button up there? Yeah, click that button. Or that one, 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 or that one.
We get it.
Well, then click it.
They will.
Click it, click it, click it, click it, click it, click it, click it.
Stop.